Well. 8:42 in the dang morning. 7:42 in the dang morning. Oh, that's bright. Look, CSX. A random casual CSX. And another CSX. Last time we were on Interior, if you know, you know.
What happened?
There was a heritage you.
Okay.
Was that the last time? Yeah.
That one looks like it's been
Here in Dalton, Georgia.
city.
If you don't know where Dalton, Georgia is,
Get a map.
Georgia, Dalton.
Get a map. Oh no. You know what I've done?
Mistake.
Mistake. The awful red one. Let's see if we have better luck today. Alright, I see.
Do I even dare to upload this video?
Not when you don't have Wi-Fi, right?
Just enjoy the trains for now.
What? So how did we do bad the other day? Look, there was a green hair. Say,
Oh, that's some bright sun.
yes,
Today we're gonna be
Is that all old? Goodness. A bunch of oil tankers.
oh shoot, I think I'm gonna stop because it looks like it.
I think it has been stopped. And it's just now pulling, getting going. Looked like it was going pretty slow. My goodness, how many oil tankers can one train carry?
Like over.
Still?
Come here for Dave, guys.